Hello everyone, in this video I would like to share the work that we finished in Toyota Corolla 2018 model, and this one come with the factory radio before, and currently we already finished the work with the full setup of the 9-inch touchscreen with the wireless Apple Carplay that you see on the screen here, and wireless Android Auto as well, and USB Apple Carplay and Android Auto as well. We fit it perfectly into the dash with the factory looking everywhere, and actually it retained all the factory steering wheel control, it retained the factory USB, and it retained the factory sound system, but also boosts up much better sound system at this moment with the built-in very strong amplifier inside the head unit. What else? It has an extra USB over here inside the glove box, very securely fit. And yep, I just would like to mention that every button over here works well on the new system. Yep, so far so good, definitely, because it is full package, a 9-inch quad LED touchscreen, and all set already. The last thing I want to mention is that the owner wants to keep the factory reverse camera, which we already did it beautifully, and here we go. Soon as you put into the reverse, it shows the reverse camera, and it is back to Apple CarPlay, wireless and reverse camera, factory reverse camera, and back to Apple CarPlay. So thanks again for watching, and we would like to see you on the next one.